Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper the Model Builder, and we're going to build the droid. Yes, R2-D2. We're going on with them. I've got four packs that I'm doing, or I've made 4 packs of all the parts that I have, starting from 9 to what is the last one? Let me just check that. To 28. So quite a lot of stages, and I hope you will enjoy it. And I will show you the magazine so you know what's I'm showing you. Let's start with number 9, as you can see right there, and see what we do in that one. Stage number, or issue number 9, as you can see there, creating a used galaxy. The history on this is, if you're a real Star Wars fan, is really nice. And a lot of things that show how they got to certain things. And we're going on with the head frame projector parts, and as you can see right there, this is what we are going to be doing. So let's start with stage number 9, which I have it ready right there, and we're going to take that one out and those two, and this we're going to use a little bit later on. Let's turn it around. They're both 8, so that doesn't matter. And then we're going to put this one underneath that one, and we are going to be using, ouch, screw them together, but they're not actually saying which one is used. But let's try this one first, and that's the one to use. Extending the head chassis, there we go. There is part of that chassis that we will be building. Then we're getting that part out, plus that one. We're putting that one right there, and then I think let's use these, the longer ones, which is the right choice. Then we've put that last one in right there with this nuts and bolts. I have to have a good look at how that should be orientated. Okay, those with the 2 pins, have a look at that. Those have to be, so we're going to put all 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 of those in. So but I think I chose the wrong side to put it on. And I think it's even worse, I put those on the wrong side, because it's showing that the rounded sides have to be on the opposite side. So let's correct that as well. On this picture you can see that when this goes on, it has to be on this side. That's the rounded side that you have there. That means that I put those on the wrong side. So have a look at that. There's a sharp edge and a rounded edge, and the screws need to be screwed in from the side, the rounded edge. Okay, so you see that rounded edge there? That's the side that screws have to be screwed into, and that means that that little bracket needs to be in the side with the sharp edge. It's not actually sharp, but, and then we can put this right here. It needs to be where those openings are. That's where the side needs to be. So it's okay. So a knot on this side, right in that little area there, and a screw from the other side, as you see me do that. And then we do that all the way around 12 times. Okay, now let's check if I have all, because I think I'm missing a few right there, and yeah, I'm missing a 3 here. Alright, have I got 12? I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yep. Okay, that frame is done. We get 2 of those black ones out, and then we get these parts out. You can chuck that. So we're starting with that one. Okay, we're doing it the other way around. We're putting that one in. Then we're putting that one in here. And then we're putting screws into that part. Now let's have a quick look. All right. This is the rear projector lens, and that's done. That means stage 9 is done, and we have these parts to show for. Let's put those aside, and this is something we are using later, and that's it for this stage. These parts. Okay, we're starting here, so we're pushing them into the pins that are right there, the pinhole I should say, meaning that we have points to screw into right there, but I see we are going to put some bolts in there, so I'm pushing it with my fingers from underneath, the nuts on the other side I mean, and then we're putting those longer silver screws in from this side, and making sure that those nuts are in properly, by which they have something like that. All right, let's get these out. We don't need that apparently. That is already on there, which I have already done. Then why is it not working? And okay, we put that lens stuff on with black screws. So we put that one, the lens is underneath, and I might as well put this back to protect that. We can always take that off. And that is what we have. Sorry. So we can put that away. That's stage 9 done. Sorry, stage 10 done. Is it 10? Yes, it is 10. We're going to 11. That we are going to keep for later. In stage 11, we are going on. This needs to be there. I think I've put this one in the wrong position. It needs to be in that position there. Yeah, it does need to be there. So I'm going to switch that over and then put that one there. And this is what we should have. Have a look at that orientation with that. The first one that we needed to put in needed to be in length with that. So that needed to be right there, and then the second one needed to be there. But it's now fixed, so that should be all right. Let's have a look at the second part of this build, which isn't there, so we're going straight to number 12. We've got 2 more. That one and this one needs to be right there. So let's do this one first and have a good look at what the shapes are that we're putting in, and the shapes of the windows, because that helps you or know which one goes where. And let's see, that one is the first one we put in. Needed to be under the rounded area on the middle. That is the first one we put in, and that's the second one and the middle is exactly that little rounded part. Okay, let's have a look at this. As you saw me put those together, let's put it. I think these are the larger nuts. They're a little bit longer, but they do fix in. And this one doesn't have any. Alright, sorry about that, guys. We put nuts on the other side, and we're going to screw these into with these screws. These are the thicker ones that we had from in an earlier stage. That is what we just put together, and that's stage 12 done. So we're going to put this aside and see what we do in 13. And heavily cooked 13, and then the last one we put in is 12. Yeah. All right, that's the first and the second stage good and done. Where's that big? Right there. This is something that we will put the head on. The assembling base, or at least the support base for the head. That's in. And there we go. And that's that. Let's put a little bit of Vaseline in that one. There we go. So in this stage we've built that, and we got that, but we've done nothing with it. So I'm going to put that away neatly, and that was from a previous stage, so let's put that away. This is what we have, and right here it's a support base with the head on it. Let me put that to the side so I can show you the head, which is not completely done. Have a good look where what goes, and let me just have an extra check on whether or not my head is thing is perfect. We've got the large, normal, then the shorter window, the big window. I think I'm all right, as you can see right there, right in front of me, everything that we've done. And on the side here you cannot see, but that little thing we've made, and as you can see it's an assembling base. But thank you very much for joining me again. Please like, subscribe and pass it on, and join me next time when I do some more on this beautiful build. Thank you very much for now. See you next time. Bye bye.